Hello there, it's a very warm welcome to Optimal Vision Recruitment Services UK, your one-stop shop for study admissions to the United Kingdom, Canada, US, Australia, Cyprus, Poland, Hungary. We also do admissions to Russia, we do admissions to Mauritius, we do admissions to Lithuania, to Estonia and other countries. Get in touch with us when and if you are ready for any study admission program, we'll be able to set you on the right course. You can send us a message on WhatsApp +4479 640 19341. WhatsApp messages to inquire about admissions to study in these countries that I've mentioned. We more than welcome your inquiries. On this video, I'm just going to discuss something very briefly, how you can become a British citizen if you are in the UK on a Tier 2 visa or a health and social care visa. So usually you get a visa for 3 years. Some employers might give you a visa for 2 years. Very rarely, some do 1 year and then they renew it subsequently. Some employers can just give you 5 years visa. So if you receive a visa for 3 years, at the expiration of that 3 years, you are meant to renew for another 3 years. So that makes it 6 years. But once you are legally in the UK for 5 years, you are entitled to what is called indefinite leave to remain, or you can call it permanent residence. When you have that, you equally have the rights of a British citizen, and so you can then, after 1 year, decide to apply for British passport. In order for you to apply for British passport, you need to, don't forget, have stayed in the UK on a legal basis on this Tier 2 visa or on a health and social care visa for 5 years. And then you need to do a Life in the UK test, which is an exam that you need to do. You need to book for it and do it. And in some cases, you may be required to provide English language results or English language exams. If you came as a nurse and you did academic IELTS, probably you may need to do another test. But at the point of application, you need to find out whether you need to do another English language test or not. The difference is that the band that you need for citizenship is not the same band that you had to do when you were, writing for your nursing exams or your medical exams or your pharmacy exams or whichever exams you came through. It's a very low grade. And if you have that, then of course, like I said, you have to do the citizenship exams, tests of life in England or in the UK. Life in the UK test is called. After that, you then put in your application. I think the application fees at the moment is close to £2,000. When you have put in that, you will now get a letter of invitation to a citizenship ceremony by your local council where you are living. The Home Office will inform them that this person has met the requirements to become a citizen. And then after you've gone for your citizenship ceremony, where you have to either swear to the Queen or affirm to the Queen, probably, who knows, by the time you want to do it, it might be to the King, because maybe the Queen may have left the scene, or she may have gone to the side because she is too old to carry on, and then somebody else is in place. But you either affirm or you swear an oath of allegiance to the King or the Queen, as the case may be, and then you have your certificate, and with that certificate, you now make an application for a British passport. You do all the necessary things. Someone has to identify you that you are actually who you say you are, somebody who has known you, and there are people in different professions that can do that for you: accountants, policemen, solicitors, registered nurses, doctors, pharmacists, and a few other, not a few really, quite a large number of professions. The list will be shown to you when it is time for you to make that application. And once you've done that, you sent off all your documents, you just wait, and then you get your British passport delivered to you by parcel service, and that's it. You also need to provide a photograph, of course, when it's time for you to make the application. But the summary is that if you are on a Tier 2 visa and you spend 5 years on that visa, you are entitled to indefinite leave to remain or permanent residence, if you may call it that. And 1 year after that, you can apply for British passport and you become a British citizen. And then, of course, you can travel the world. You can travel to different places without needing to apply for visa. And don't forget, whatever rights you have also devolves to your dependents or your family. So if you are a citizen of the UK, then of course you also have to apply for your children, your husband, your wife to become citizens with you. And if you're a permanent resident, they also acquire the same rights. So that's what we have for you this day. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, more information on life in UK and things that you need to know. Please, we encourage you to do your due diligence whenever you are about to make any application. Inquire from those who are legally trained, and you'll be able to be pointed in the right direction. Don't forget, if you want to study abroad, or you have a relative or a friend or a colleague who wants to study abroad, we are here to support them all the way through. Study in the UK, study in America, Canada, and other places. Just ping us a WhatsApp text message and we'll be there to respond promptly to your request for study inquiries. I'll give you the number again. It's +44 79 640 19341. I will definitely catch you on the next one. Have a good one. Take good care of yourself. Be safe. Thank you. Bye.